July 9 and we went to Vertis North para kunin yung results niya sa APE. And then after that, we went straight to urology for his follow-up checkup. On this day, we went to Nine Waves, which is also called Ciudad Cristia Resort, para samahan yung mother ko mag-ocular for our client para sa wedding nila on August 1. Well, actually, wala naman talaga kaming ginawa dito, kundi literal na samahan yung mother ko and nagtingin-tingin na rin kami ng place. And then after that, we went naman dito sa Golden Garland Place, which is gonna be the venue of our client on August 1. And just the same thing, nag-ocular, tinignan kung gaano kalaki yung space, kung saan ilalagay yung mga bagay-bagay on the day of the event. And then after those ocular visits, pumunta na rin kami agad dito sa Fusion Alley in Sampaloc, Manila para matry na rin ang boyfriend ko to. Actually, kaming family, napuntahan naman na namin to last year. But my boyfriend, this is his first time na matry and makita or mapuntahan tong Fusion Alley. So, the first thing we tried is yung cheesy corn. Although, hindi ito yung hinahanap kong cheesy corn. Kaso, hindi ko kasi mahanap yung matagal na namin binibilhan talaga na as in cheesy talaga siya and may mozzarella. After that, bumili lang din kami nitong toasted siopaw na one of my favorites here in Fusion Alley. And then, we tried yung viral Thai steak and for us, okay na rin naman yung lasa. Parang homemade. Ganun yung mga ka-levels niya. But yeah, overall, hindi naman super alat, hindi rin naman bland yung lasa. Then after that, of course, hindi namin malilimutang i-try itong samyang or bulldog samyang chauvinist ni Naomi Peña. And also, we tried yung beef enoki roll, itong Dubai pistachio cookie. And also, I ordered the dragon fruit juice while my boyfriend ordered ito namang coco moku. And masarap naman siya in fairness. Then can I just say, nasarap kami dito ng mother ko sa smoked potatoes. So, you should try it out too. On this day, pumunta kami ng SM North para samahan yung boyfriend ko na magpagawa ng salamin dahil ang tagal-tagal na nung last niyang paggawa or check-up sa mata. We first checked out itong Owndays but we ended up going sa Executive Optical. Then after that, puro shopping na yung ginawa namin. First stop is itong Oxygen because this is one of my boyfriend's favorite stores. He's on the hunt for barrel pants, baggy jeans, stuff like that. Sobrang daming stores namin pinuntahan, as in 7 stores in total yata ang napuntahan namin sa araw na to. And so we got hungry. Then we went to Salad Stop para matry din ng boyfriend ko yung salads nila because ang sasarap ng salads nila, as in favorite ko rin tong Salad Stop. So after eating, shopping na naman. But first, coffee. So, trinay ko tong sea salt latte ng Yardstick and it's really, really, really good. Good thing, large na agad yung in-order ko. And then after that, nag-brush ka lang kami and pati ako napashopping na, napatry na rin ng mga damit. But, wala naman akong specifically na hinahanap. So, I only got a shirt, one shirt kasi wala pa akong ganong type of red. So, ayan. After that, nag-mini melts lang kami because ang tagal ko na to gustong i-try. Nakikita ko to sa TikTok ko, sa For You page. So, ayan. Dinayo talaga namin yan dito sa SM North. Also, nakita ko rin to sa TikTok. Itong The Click Company na photo booth. Good thing sa kanila, they have retakes. Nakailang retakes yata kami. Went to SM North again. But first, nag-drop off muna ako ng parcel dito sa JNT. I'm actually with my family because we're gonna run some errands. And gusto lang talaga ng mom kong mag-mall. So, ayan, pagbigyan ng madam. A little outfit of the day. Suot ko na agad yung nabili namin sa Bershka, yes. And then here's my mom checking out some home goods, home items. Then after checking out the department store, pumunta na rin kami dito sa Aldo dahil yung mom ko naghahanap ng new wallet. Gusto niya ng new wallet but unfortunately wala siyang nakitang maganda dito sa Aldo kaya next namin siya is yung Charles & Keith. At ayan na nga, may nagustuhan na nga talaga siya. After all the shopping, pumila lang yung mother ko dun sa Yabu. Kasi dun kami kakain dahil gutom na kami. And ako naman, umorder lang saglit ng milk tea dito sa Coke. So, after a very long line of waiting, finally nakapasok na rin kami dito sa Yabu to dine in. We just ordered the usual, which is yung Rosu set because yun yung may fat. And pag kasi yung here, medyo nadadryan kami kasi nga wala namang fat. So, ito talaga yung prefer namin ever since. So, after eating, we did a little bit of window shopping again. And we went to Disney store. Pumunta lang kami ng Jayco since my mom is craving for donuts for a week now. Kaya ayan. Once we got home, inopen na rin namin tong Jayco Donuts for our dessert. And then, nagtimpla lang din kami ng Spanish latte. And this is to end their night. Today is July 25. And so, my boyfriend and I came to Valenzuela City, my hometown, because birthday ng uncle ko, so they invited us to go to their house to celebrate his birthday. And ayan, our cutie little Ada, the daughter of my aunt and uncle, was super duper cute. Naglaro lang kami with her for a couple of hours. And I must say na siya naman talaga ang isa sa mga pinaka-importante kong pinunta dito sa Valenzuela because I miss her so much. At grabe, ang bilis niyang lumaki, ang bilis niyang tumanda. Ada, please don't grow old so fast. Ang cute kaya nakikita sa video. Then after a few hours, hours of playing with Ada, nakipaglaro lang din yung boyfriend ko sa tito ko ng chess. Since matagal-tagal na rin siyang hindi nakakapaglaro ng chess and isa to sa mga favorite niyang laruin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Again.
And so as usual, we ended the night with a little chit chat. Then after that, we went home already. So, see you in my next one.